Hello and welcome to Buzz This Week. My name is Tanay Tiwari. I'm from Lucknow and I used to be Nirala Nagar ka gunda as well. No, really. मैंने तो सचमुच बैट से rearview mirrors भी तोड़े हैं गाड़ियों के. Just that I wasn't good enough to have 13,288 runs and go viral without having a single social media account. You know, sometimes it hurts. On the show this week. IPL 2021's early trends. PSL 2021 hits restart. And BCCI's eye is on the future. It is here. IPL 2021, the festival of cricket, is underway. And while we've not seen a lot of games, you can already read in a few patterns, a few things here and there. The first of them is with the RCB, who seem to have finally found the password to unlock some sort of a combination. They've done that by finding that special character. हाँ जी, वो हर साल forgot password करके नया password try करते थे. समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था उनको कि a special character that they were missing was Glenn Maxwell. I mean, it's just been one game, but the way he's fit in, the way he's batting, the way the captain's praising him, he is perhaps that one special character that RCB were missing, and perhaps this year. Okay, I'm not going to say it. But RCB fans, before you get too optimistic, remember, game आपका अभी भी AB de Villiers नहीं finish कराया. Just saying. थोड़ा pressure हटा लो उस आदमी के ऊपर से यार. Talk of keeper batsmen finishing games. Another keeper batsman did that at the Wankhede Stadium in front of another keeper batsman who'd done that in an iconic moment at the Wankhede Stadium. Rishabh Pant doing that in front of MS Dhoni, leading Delhi Capitals to their first win in this season in their very first game. And what a story it was. Just to watch Rishabh Pant walk out for the toss alongside his idol MS Dhoni shows how much can perseverance pay you. Last year at this time, Rishabh Pant wasn't a surety in any of the Indian teams, but he stuck at it, gave it his all, and look at how his life has turned around. For him to stand there with MS Dhoni at that toss, that's a story written in the stars. But there were two others who redeemed themselves that night. First was Prithvi Shaw, who had a torrid time in IPL 2020, but his form, the one that he's carried from the Vijay Hazare Trophy, rubbed off on his form in the IPL as well. Took the CSK bowlers to the cleaner. And then there was one man whose team lost, who got run out, but on his return, perhaps after 2 years of playing very little competitive cricket, Suresh Raina came out and batted like the Chinnathalai of the old and proved that while इस IPL की गद्दी के बहुत सारे दावेदार होंगे, इसके राजा रायना भैया ही हैं. While there are so many good things happening in the IPL, कुछ चीज़ों का इंतज़ार अभी भी है. कुछ चीज़ों का इंतज़ार रहता ही है. जैसे कि ये पैंडेमिक कब खत्म होगा और वो MS धोनी की विंटेज नॉक कब आएगी. MS धोनी though did walk out to bat, but an unfortunate inside edge meant that he had to walk back very soon on a score of 0. देखिए, पैंडेमिक कब खत्म होगा उसके लिए मेहनत आपको करनी पड़ेगी. हाथ धोइए, मास्क लगाइए, हाथ सैनिटाइज करिए, घर में रहिए. MS धोनी की इनिंग्स के लिए आई एम श्योर MS धोनी पूरी मेहनत कर रहे हैं. एक मिनट एक बात तो बताना भूल ही गया. The contest between the Royal Challengers Bangalore and Punjab Kings. What a fantastic contest that was. Confused, right? You're wondering कि on field तो खेले नहीं है इन्होंने मैच अभी तक. जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ off field, where the two of them got into a Twitter banter that turned kind of strange. Have a look. It started with this, then went on to this, then to this, and then to this. अरे यार, मॉनिटर बुला लो कोई क्लास का. Thank God they stopped replying on that thread, because if they'd gone on 4-5 tweets down the line, they would have been comparing their geometry boxes and saying मेरा compass box तेरे से better है. But this will add some sort of a spice when they take on each other on the field. अब चला दो. While the IPL is underway in India under a looming shadow of rising number of COVID-19 cases in India, Pakistan Cricket Board has also decided to go ahead with PSL, the remainder of the PSL 2021. The games will start on June 1st, end on the June 20th. The remaining 20 games will be played at National Stadium in Karachi. And because there were multiple biosecurity lapses the last time around, this time the PCB has decided to outsource it to an international firm to ensure that there are no further lapses this time around. On international cricket front though, Pakistan did really well in the ODI series, beating South Africa 2-1. In the T20Is as well, Pakistan won the first game, while South Africa came back to win the second T20I to set up for an exciting finish for the series. As the ongoing IPL continues under the shadow of COVID-19 in the country, the BCCI has already set its gaze on the future. Yes, in a letter to all state associations, the BCCI President Sourav Ganguly has assured them that cricket will go on, considering that COVID-19 cases come under control in the country. And he's also assured them that BCCI will host the best ever T20 World Cup come October and November 2021. That's not the only place where BCCI have their gaze on the future. A senior BCCI official, while talking to a news agency, confirmed that the BCCI is ready to provide all sort of help to all the players who will play for India in that World Test Championship final. He said that they'll be provided with the Duke's balls. They'll also be put in touch with all Team India coaches so as to ensure that they are prepared when they take that plane to England, because they won't have a lot of time between the end of the IPL and the start of the World Test Championship. Because the IPL ends at the end of May, they take a flight out, do quarantine in England, and by the time they come out, they won't really have time for match practice. They'll only have time for nets practice, which is why it is imperative that they practice here. ये टीम इंडिया एकदम टॉपर बच्चों की तरह नहीं हो गई, वो बच्चे जो समर वेकेशन में अपना सारा कोर्स खत्म कर लेते थे. बट सानू की जब तक टीम इंडिया वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप घर ले आए, we are not complaining. Your boss challenge this week is to give us one player out of the top 5 most expensive players in IPL 2021 who you think will perform as per your expectations. Here's the list. I will pick Chris Morris because I read this very interesting interview on Cricbuzz of Chris Morris where he said that he knows how to put mind over money and that he's been there, done that, and this time around, he's ready to prove his worth. That's all on this episode of Buzz This Week. Until next week, आपके पास 750 rupees हैं क्या? अच्छा चलो 500 हैं, दे सकते हो क्या? मुझे नहीं, अपने आप को. Yes. Now hear this very carefully. Just for 500 rupees, you can unlock some of the finest cricket content. The best of interviews, the best of video content on Cricbuzz, the best of write-ups, the best of statistics. Yes, because I know कि आप ना सिर्फ fan नहीं हो. मुझे मालूम है कितनी बार तो I learn so much from your comments. And that is why, just for fans like you, we've launched Cricbuzz Plus for 500 rupees a year. That's it. Just for that amount, you will unlock a host of premium content, including this Chris Morris interview that I was talking about. थोड़ा इन्वेस्ट कर दो, इतना प्यार करते हो इस गेम से. This investment won't go waste.